Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using this script here, which uses a combination of these 4 different letter stems in conjunction with either dot modifiers or line modifiers to make the consonants. And then vowels are these little guys. They have different positions depending on what vowel they are and if they're attached on one of the 4 consonant stems. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to this design. So this is the design made with just 1 line thickness. Except for this one, which is a tiny bit thicker, and this one, which is also a tiny bit thicker. This one has to be a little bit thicker because this is a stacked S and T, and if we look at our letter stacking rules, you read thin to thick, so this S needs to be thinner than this T in the word ghosty. This one has a full range of line thickness, and is the more, I guess, okay, so this design is useful for making rings because it's all just the same line thickness, and this extra thick line is done by having the same line trace over it multiple times, whereas this one has actually different thicknesses of lines. So this is useful for rings, this is useful for like pocket watches or keychains or anything like that. Okay, let's get to actually reading these words. You read starting at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So this is our first word, and this is our second word. Our first word has this deep divot, like this, and that makes it in this top row. And there is 1 line coming off of it, so that makes it a G. Then we continue around. This deep divot has 1, 2 lines, so 1, 2 lines, 1 line, and those 2 lines make it an H. An O is a little guy inside the word circle. And S is a shallow divot, so this kind of arc shape here, with 1, 2, 3 lines, and then the T has nothing, and I has a line going inwards, and then there's the E. So this is the kind of unraveled version, although I do have the vowels in this one attached. Let's go ahead and unattach those. Okay, cool. So G, G, H, H, O, O, S, S, T, T-I-I-E-E, ghosty, and then girl, bottoms here, we have a deep divot G, I, and then this R has 1, 2, 3 dots, and this L has 3 dots, so RL. So here we have Ghostie Girl as well. So yep, that's Ghostie Girl. Hope you like the design, and I'll catch you in the next video for the other bits of this ring for my commissioner. So yeah, see ya.